Put some onions. Saute onions. Put one tomato. Okay, so I fried some onions, sauteed some onions and tomatoes. I usually do it in olive oil. But I'm gonna add some tomatoes that were mixed before for like tamales or pupusas or something. I just wanna waste them. Alright, my husband decided to hold the camera. So after I'm making 3 eggs, so I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Just a little bit more olive oil. I prefer using olive oil or canola oil because those are healthy oils. I'm going to put the fire on high since I have enough oil now. We're going to let this cook. And while that's happening, I'm going to take 3 eggs, bigger ones. And I'm gonna pick them. Turn. And then I'm gonna take I'll take cherry again today. This is Oria and roasted cherry. And take a little bit on the lid. There's 3 eggs and we like cherry, so just enough. About a tablespoon or so. And mixing it, crushing it. Keep it low. While that's cooking, take a little bit salt. Might have put a lot, but I put salt, iodized salt. Mix it. You can put herbs if you want. Turmeric and ginger as well if you want. I usually use turmeric for everything. So today, let's use it. So, actually, this says curry, but it's turmeric. Turmeric from the Indian store. I put about a tablespoon. We're gonna use ginger powder. You can also get this cheaper in the US, at least in the Indian store. And then we mix. These are about to be done, so that's awesome. Mix. Okay, now it's time to put the egg in. These are 3 eggs today, so it's time to put the eggs in. Maybe today I might end up scrambling them, but I'll try to flip them around. 3 eggs are hard to flip though, so we can try. So now the egg is all in there. If you're like me and you like to get everything, you do that. Try to get all the spices back in there. And then now we want to take some vegetables. There's a little bit of green beans from the garden, collard greens and radish greens. These are collard greens. I took young baby ones. and some radish greens. I cut them all together. So we're gonna put them in there. Put them on. And to make our egg. Nice, nice, nice. Lower the heat a little bit and let it cook. Okay. I'm gonna put something else as well from the garden. I'm gonna put this spice. I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna have to look on Google. But I grew it in the garden. This herb. I'm gonna put a little bit of that. And then we're gonna take some oregano. I'm like removing the leaves, stuff from the garden, and put it as well. And then more oregano. I like oregano. These are 3 eggs, remember, so put more. And then I got some creeping thyme. So put a little bit of that onto the egg. Voila. All you gotta do now is just flip it a couple times and then it'll be done. A little bit of the herb salad left. Okay, we're good. Put it closer to the heat. Before I flip it, it's cooking. We'll be back. Okay. It's gonna be hard to flip 3 eggs, so I'm gonna let them break again. Some people cook theirs like by just putting it halfway. With it. I'm gonna let it scramble. A little bit of this. Okay. Let's put down. Okay, scrambled. I like it scrambled, but I keep it together because I like to flip them because I like both sides done. So it's like a scrambled like omelette. Let it cook. You can cover it if you want, or just flip it again. Today I might just cover it. Okay, so I put it covered. Okay, gentlemen, so we are done here. So this is the egg, well, 1.5 egg, about 1.5. You know, you can make for you and your family. All right, enjoy.